What's going on, y'all? Today we doing a lovely air fried chicken, y'all. It's gonna be so good, just don't know. So we gonna start off by removing that backbone, cause we gonna cook half of this chicken. And of course, don't throw that backbone away, y'all. Make you some stock, y'all. Make you some stock. So once we get our backbone removed, we're gonna go ahead and cut that chicken in half. Then of course you know we gotta rain on 'em. Gotta hit them with that salt. Now this here, y'all, this here is some of that red hot riplet seasoning. And we gonna get that worked in all over this chicken. And oh my goodness, it's gonna be tasty. Now after we get this season worked in, we gonna get into our air fryer, which is set at 425 degrees. And we gonna let that cook at 425 until we reach the internal tempo of 100. And of course, we had to hit it with our spritzy spritz on top to get that crispy skin. Now, once it reaches 100 degrees, we're gonna give it a flip and let it finish cooking until it reach 165, y'all. Now, I'll let this chicken rest before I cut into it. But as you can see, it's still hot, y'all. So let's get us a bite. Oh my goodness, don't that look juicy out? Oh my goodness. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.